Hello friends, we are glad to welcome you on our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily change the hairstyles of your Bitmoji in the Snapchat app. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments after watching the video. So, let's get started. And I'll tell you right away that changing your image in Bitmoji in Snapchat is a lot of fun too. And if you are changing your exterior over time, then it will also be interesting for you to change your Bitmoji so that people can see your changes. So, first of all, open the Snapchat app. In the top left corner, click on your Bitmoji that you have. Next, when you go to your profile, tap on your Bitmoji. Now here's the bottom menu here, go up a little bit, and select Change Avatar. And this is where you'll be able to find the very first thing, which is the hair or the hairstyle. And you can change it however you want. Absolutely, because there's a very wide range of hairstyles, both female and male, in all different lengths. So I think you'll find something that works for you. And then you can also change the color of your hair, for example, to a color that you like. You will also be able to change the shade here. For example, if you have some interesting hair coloring, you will be able to change. Once you've chosen everything, the main thing to remember is to click Save in the top right corner. This way you will save the change of your Bitmoji. Friends, this is the very simple and easy way you can change your Bitmoji's hairstyle in Snapchat app. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.